Hello, I'm going to show you how to assemble an Inkubus. All screws are included, you only need a Phillips screwdriver and a T10 bit. And of course the Inkubus Korpus. The first thing to install is the power supply. If you don't have a modular one, get spare cables out of the way. Place the power supply in front of the Inkubus and sort the cables as they are supposed to lay in the case later on. Then connect both mobile racks with the power supply. When inserting, be careful not to bend or jam the cables. Then put all the cables you want to connect over the edge. If everything is tidy, it's time for the main board. I recommend you to mount the CPU, memory and cooler in advance. This will save you a lot of time. Carefully push the mainboard in, making sure that the holes in the mainboard match the threads in the housing. Insert all 4 mainboard screws, but do not tighten them yet. Once all screws are in, you can tighten them. Put in the main ATX connector in first, followed by the 4 or 8 pin connector before you join the SATA cables. I recommend you to mark the cables so you know which cable belongs to which drive. Last but not least, you connect the ring LED button. Make sure that there is no cable in the bottom fan cutout. The internals are ready. Now we close the cube and start with the back plate. For this purpose, we press the I/O shield into the honeycomb plate and slide this plate over the 4 threaded rods on the back. You don't have to turn the cube around. I can show you in this way which screw is where. First of all, the power supply is attached, followed by the 2 outer edges and finally the screws in the center. Again, all screws are tightened only when all 6 are in place. Now only the bottom plate, which can accommodate 120 and 140mm fans, is missing. I recommend to you a 140mm fan of Noctua due to the volume and quality. If the fan has dampers, remove them so that the fan can close tightly with the plate. The housing of the Inkubus takes care of the noise attenuation. Now connect the fan and insert the fan together with the plate into the opening. Also keep in mind that no cables are in the way. The feet are tightened with half a Newton meter, so very little torque. And that was it. The cube is ready. I thank you for watching and wish you a lot of fun with your own build.